Do you want to make money online but you don't know where to get started? Then watch this video till the end. So there are many ways you can make money online in 2024. In today's video, I'll share with you 4 ways in which you can make money online, starting from the easiest to the hardest. So we have affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote products from affiliate programs like Amazon, ClickBank, or Digital24. So how do you promote these products? First, you can buy these products and make a review about it and post these videos on YouTube to make them searchable and ask people to buy it through your affiliate link in the description or your bio if you are using TikTok. So if you are getting started, I recommend TikTok. So what about digital marketing? Digital marketing is almost the same as affiliate marketing. The only difference is that you sell digital products like courses or ebooks. If you want to make money with digital marketing, just comment interested, because that's the field I'm currently on and I'm making money through affiliate marketing and digital marketing. Comment interested and you can also DM me. The second way you can make money is through drop shipping. So let's say you want to sell ring lights online. So you find a cheaper supplier from China and then open a shop on Shopify, an online store on Amazon. And let's say the supplier sells you this ring light at 2K, but you post it on your online store for 4K. So what happens is when someone orders the ring light through your store, you then order it from your supplier and your supplier ship it direct to the client. So your work is just to be the middleman and earn the difference between the buying price from the supplier and your selling price in your store. So that is how you make money with drop shipping. So all you need to do is to find a winning product and sell it. Third and the last one is Forex. Forex is where you trade currencies, indexes, or what else can you trade? Metals online. So this is a risky one, and the minimum capital I think is 50K, and you need to invest more time to come up with your own skill. So even though someone will teach you, you need to develop your own trading strategy. I remember it took me like 9 months to learn how to trade Forex and become profitable. So Forex is not easy, and I don't recommend for anyone who is just getting started, but unless you have enough money and you have invested it somewhere else, so you have money to play with to learn trading. So comment interested if you want to learn affiliate marketing, DM, share, and